Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. As you can see from the title of the video that we are going to talk about short vowels. If you haven't seen my previous video, please go check that out. I have fully explained what short vowel is and how we can make it interesting for your child. So this is an activity that I made at home. I just took a black chart paper and I uh, took two different color A4 size paper, pink and yellow, and I differentiated in between the letters and the vowels. To make it interesting, you can do different techniques with your child. You can even take a blackboard and you can use the chalk, and you can take colored markers and use different pictures of it, and whatever you have at home you can use it. As more creative you are with your child, the more interest he's gonna take. So let's move on to the activity that I made at home. For me, color coding is very important. As you can see how colorful it is. If you use different colors, it will be more interesting for a child to see what are we going to do today. So on one side I have put the letters, and on one side I have put the vowels, and we will discuss that how we are going to build a word. Building a word is easy, but making interesting for a child might not be. So you can use different pictures, you can use different stuffed toys, or whatever you have at home you can use it. So how you are going to use it. See, I am going to take this picture of lip, and I am going to ask my child what is the picture about, and he's going to say lip, and I'm going to stick that picture on the activity, and then I'm going to ask him how do you pronounce the word lip? La ip, la ip. So the first letter is L, means he's going to say L. If he knows his phonics, he will for sure tell me that L means L. L, ip, L, ip. And then we're going to paste ip, L, ip. See how colorful it becomes. It can differentiate between the letter and ip. Moving on to the next picture, that is pot. You can be more creative with different pictures, and you can show a pot if you have at home. P-ot, p-ot. So p will is p and ot is the vowel. So p-ot. Always try to break the words into two parts. If you're going to break the words into two parts, it'll be easier for your child to easily understand what you are making them learn. So yeah, this is how you can do an activity with your child at home. It's not necessary for you to do what I did, but for me it's more creative, and I just took some pictures from Google and I just printed them out, and I color coded them with a Phonics sheet. I feel the more colorful it is, the better it is. You can take whatever picture your child is or your students are familiar with. My child is familiar with these pictures, so it'll be easier for me to do this activity with him. So yeah, this is the activity that I've made, and if you like my activity, please comment down below, and you can share your activity as well, creativity as well. So please do like and share my video, and I will see you in my next video.